our class 12th students. Students, if you have not watched my previous videos, then first you watch my previous videos. Then you will understand this type question who I will solve in this video. Dear students, I have told you differential coefficients of inverse trigonometric functions. So, in this video, I am going to solve questions related differentiation who is given in your exercise. So, you see and understand very well. If any problem, then tell me. First question is, find differential coefficient of sine inverse AX. Since here getting me differential coefficient of this function, so first we use ddx sine inverse AX. Since this is a composite function, so first we take, let t equal AX. Then this function will be ddx of sine inverse t. Here we may write this ddt of sine inverse t into TDX of t. ddt of sine inverse t, you know already this 1 by under root 1 minus t square into ddx of t, who is here AX, ddx of AX, here A into ddx of x divided by under root 1 minus t square gives out. Since ddx x is equal to 1, so here A divided by under root 1 minus t square, but value of t is equal to AX, so put here t equal AX 1 minus A square x square. This is the answer of this question, where getting the differential coefficient with respect to x of this function. This is the differential coefficients of given function sine inverse AX. I will take second question cos inverse x by a. Cos, this is first and this is second part. Cos inverse x by a. Since here also finding the differential coefficient with respect to x, so here we will use ddx. I am solving this direct. First, suppose x by a is equal to t, then this is cos inverse t, then first differentiate with respect to t of cos inverse t is equal to minus 1 by under root 1 minus t square, but t is equal to x by a, so here write x by a square into ddx of t, same as here, ddt, this and ddx of t, which here x by a. Is equal to minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square by a square into 1 by a is constant here, so we write here 1 by a into ddx of x minus 1 by under root a square minus x square divided by a square into 1 by a, since ddx x is equal to 1. Gives out, simplifying this, we get here a minus divided by under root a square minus x square into 1 by a. Here a and a are cancelled. So we get here minus 1 by under root a square minus x square, and this is the differential coefficient of cos inverse x by a. Next question, who is very important. If y equal tan inverse sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x, then find differential coefficient with respect to x of y. Given here if y equal tan inverse sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x. I told you, question is here, if y equal tan inverse sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x, then find differential coefficient with respect to x of y. Here, finding differential coefficient with respect to x, we may write the given y is equal to tan inverse cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x. Here we wrote cos x, first cos x and then sin x. Dividing by cos x in numerator and denominator, we get tan inverse cos x divided by cos x 1 plus sin x divided by cos x tan x divided by cos x divided by cos x 1 minus here also tan x. Here we use tan 35. Since you know already tan 35 degree is equal to 1, so place of 1 we use tan 35. Tan inverse tan 35 degree plus tan x divided by 1 minus, here you can understand 1 into tan x, so we write here tan 35 into tan x. Is equal to tan inverse tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to tan A plus B. So here we may write tan 45 degree plus x. Here we use formula tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Here suppose u 45 degree is equal to 1 and x is equal to p, so here we may write tan 35 degree plus x. So we get y is equal to tan inverse tan 35 degree plus x. Since you know already tan inverse tan theta equals theta, here you can suppose 35 degree plus x equal theta, so 45 degree plus x. Now we differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get here dy over dx is equal to ddx of 35 degree plus x. since ddx a plus b is equal to ddx a plus ddx b, so we may write here ddx of 25 degree plus ddx of x, since this is constant, so ddx of constant is equal to 0, you know already this, plus ddx x is equal to 1. So we get differential coefficient with respect to x, who is ddx of y is equal to 1. This is the differential coefficient with respect to x of given y, who is tan inverse cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x. Next question. Tan inverse 4x divided by 4 minus x square. Tan inverse 4x divided by 4 minus x square. Tan inverse 4x divided by 4 minus x square. Here also getting me differential coefficient, so we will use here ddx, here capital bracket. This is also composite function. So first we take t is equal to 4x divided by 4 minus x square and differentiate this with respect to t, and then differentiate with respect to x of t, who is here 4x divided by 4 minus x square. We may write here, if this is t, so this tan inverse t, then differentiate with respect to t, we get here, since ddx tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, here value of x, who is t, is equal to 4x divided by 4 minus x square whole square into ddx of t, who is 4x divided by 4 minus x square. Here use formula ddx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Who I had told in previous lectures. So I am saying you, first, if you have not watched my all videos, so first you watch my previous videos, then you will understand this type question. 1 divided by 1 plus 16x square divided by 4 minus x squared whole square into ddx of 4x by 4 minus x squared. Since this function is quotients of two functions, so here you differential coefficients of quotients of two functions who I had told you. Here denominator 4 minus x square into differential coefficient of numerator who is 4x minus numerator 4x into differential coefficients of denominator divided by denominator square 4 minus x square whole square. Next, we may write here 4 minus x square whole square divided by 4 minus x square whole square plus 16x square. Here 4 minus x square whole square will come in numerator. So here I am writing 4 minus x square whole square divided by 4 minus x square whole square plus 16x square into 4 minus x square into ddx of 4x will be 4 minus 4x into ddx of 4 minus x square, since ddx of 4 equals 0 and minus ddx of x square equal minus 2x divided by 4 minus x square whole square. Check it again. Minus 4x into ddx of 4 equals 0 and ddx of minus x square will be minus 2x. So this is correct. Here 4 minus x square cancel this. So we may write here 16 minus 4x square minus and minus plus 8x square divided by 4 minus x square whole square plus 16x square. Here 16 minus 4x square plus 8x square is equal to 16 plus 4x square divided by here 16 plus x power 4 minus 8x square plus 16x square. Since you know a minus b whole square equal a square plus b square minus 2ab, so here will come 4 square 16 x square x power 4 16 plus x power 4 minus 8x square plus 16x square, who will be here common 4x square plus 4 divided by 16 plus x power 4 plus 8x square this will equal to x square plus 4 whole square, or x square plus 4 divided by this we may write x square plus 4 whole square. Cancel this. 4 divided by x square plus 4, and this is the differential coefficient of given function. Who is this? You try to solve your given exercise related differentiation. Next, I am going to solve last question of this video. Given function x tan inverse x tan inverse x. Here we will use ddx, since here finding the differential coefficient with respect to x of this function. You are seeing here this given function is the product of two functions, who is here we suppose x is first function and tan inverse x is second function, and use product formula who I had told in previous lecture. Let this is first function and this second function. First function into differential coefficients of second function plus second function into differential coefficients of first function, which here x is equal to x into ddx tan inverse x, you know, 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. Tan inverse x into ddx of x is equal to 1. So we may write here 1 is equal to x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. This is the differential coefficients of given function x tan inverse x. Dear students, you make your notes